Welcome to creating a custom modal from scratch. In this course, we are going to be creating our own modal using our own HTML. We're going to write our own CSS and we're going to write our own JavaScript. Welcome to this crash course on Git. In this course, you will be learning how to create a repository with Git. You're going to learn how to get started with Git, and I'll be walking you through this entire process from start to finish on how to create and contribute to a repository. Welcome to SQL/Postgres 101. In this course, we're going to jump right into database management. We'll start off with the basics on a demonstration setup and practice selecting data, ordering data, inserting data, updating data, and deleting data. Welcome to React 101 with your host, Caleb Tallien. In this course, what we're going to be doing is creating a randomized Star Wars character generator using an API. So every time you click this button, it's going to find a new character for you using an API. Hello and welcome to React 201. This is intermediate React. In this module or in this course, we are going to be working with a lot of different components in React. For example, making a single page application so you can switch between pages instantly. We're also going to be working with search, so I can type in Star Wars and get all these different search results. I can even click on the details of one of these and go to some form of a detail view using React routing.
Have you ever wanted to create an app similar to Twitter or Facebook? Do you prefer practice over theory? If so, you are in the right place. Together, we are going to build 3 separate projects of different complexity from scratch: a tic-tac-toe game, a movie search app, and finally, a chat app.
Hey everyone, my name is Sean, and I want to welcome you to this course where I'm going to teach you how to build a calculator using JavaScript and React.